Hello students, so today we are going to discuss one concept related to multinucleated cell. Two words are there, syncytium and coenocytium. Many people they mispronunciate it as coenocytium. It is not coenocytium, it is coenocytium. Syncytium, coenocytium are given, these words are not properly given in NCERT, given in a wrong way in NCERT. NCERT Biology Class 11 Chapter 10 Cell Cycle and Cell Division Chapter, page number 124, you can refer cytokinesis topic. Under that lower lines, liquid endosperm of coconut it is explained. All complete concept it is explained correctly, but what it is mentioned about example and the word written syncytium is not correct. Here it is not syncytium, it is coenocytium. So let's discuss what is the difference between syncytium and coenocytium. Very simple concept. Syncytium, coenocytium, both the conditions are first of all multinucleated condition, whether we are talking about syncytium or coenocytium. Both the conditions are multinucleated. Let's take the word syncytium. Syn word meaning is fusion of cells. When cells they fuse, condition is called syncytium, cytium cell. Whether here in coenocytium means common cell. Let's discuss one by one. In case of syncytium condition, syn fusion, cytium cell, we have many cells, for example, okay, two or more than two cells required. Two or more than two cells, when they fuse, their cytoplasm become common, and under single plasma membrane, under single cytoplasmic condition, multiple nucleus it is floating here. This condition is called here syncytium. Syn means fusion of cells. So when cells with multinucleated condition formed due to fusion, it is called syncytium, and examples are skeletal muscle fibers. Okay, our muscle fibers are skeletal muscle fibers, not all muscle fibers. Cardiac muscle fibers. So in case of I've seen so many teachers, so many students, they are having doubt or they are going for that cardiac muscles are syncytial cells. No, cardiac muscles are not syncytial. Cardiac muscle, yes, they are together many cells and single cytoplasm, single cell present, or you can say one cell single nucleus present, one cell single nucleus present under one cytoplasmic condition, many nucleus not present. Yes, we say cardiac cells or cardiac muscle fibers as functionally multinucleated. So that functionally multinucleated concept is something else. If you are confusing with functionally multinucleated and syncytium, both are two different conditions, don't mess it. So syncytium, best example is skeletal muscle fiber. Second example is osteoclast cells. Osteoclast, bone resorbing cells or bone destroying cells, bone shaping cells. Okay, so the third cell, mammalian placental cells. Mammalian placental cells, they have multiple nucleus in same cell due to fusion of cells. Now let's come to coenocytium example. Coeno, common. So final cell, here you can see final cell, common nucleus or multiple nucleus having common cytoplasm. So how it happens, how it is created? Coeno, common. This is initial cell single nucleus. Single nucleus undergoes multiple times karyokinesis or multiple karyokinesis. Multiple karyokinesis 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. Like this, many nucleus present and the condition is called coenocytium. Yes, this is example of coenocytium, but in NCERT, liquid endosperm of coconut, it is written as syncytium. Syncytium wrong, it is coenocytium. Fungal hyphae are also coenocytium. In some algae, you will get some coenocytium like condition. Slime mold plasmodium example, in some stages you will get coenocytium. So students, these two concepts, these two words are not same. They are, yes, multinucleated, but two different concepts, two different words. Thank you, students.